Right. Here's how to change battery in an iPhone 3G. Okay. Start opening it with the 2 screws at the bottom. Okay. Then, using your iPhone toolkit, open the tools, take the little plunger, stick it on, and just lever that back edge up and open it about like that. Normally that'll open up and the screen will come off. Just unclip this connection here and just lift up this connection here to 90 degrees. Take that out, screen's off. Out of the way for now. Okay, right, in order to get all the way into the battery is situated under the motherboard itself. So I'll start by taking the SIM card out. And then we'll just lift off the battery connection here. Lift off the port connection from the bottom here. And then let's start taking these connectors off. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. This one here is normally under a do not remove sticker, and it's actually slightly longer than the rest, so make sure you keep that to one side when you take them out. It's worth having a magnetic screwdriver for getting these out. Them all out, we need to now just undo the camera connection. The camera screw, in fact, it's at the top there. Just one screw. Take it out. And there's also a little bracket on top of it. Back it out, and now you can start to lift the whole lot out. So we just forgot to undo that. Take that one off as well. That's it. Whilst lifting the camera out, we should free it. The camera can stay attached to the main board. If you are changing the camera, it's easy enough to do at this point, and I suppose if you are just repairing the camera only, that's the only bit you change. Just disconnect it there if you were doing that. Right, now you see, we've got access to the battery, so we just need to lift up the tab, and just be careful when doing this because you don't want to ruin anything. You just literally want to unstick that bit. Okay, so with that off, we can now get our new battery. Which comes with the adhesive already on. So just need to remove the adhesive. And so this tab, see how the tab goes under there, around that area, and it should only line up in one place. And push it down nice and firmly into the bottom, making sure that this connector here is nicely out of the top there. Okay. with that out, just make sure that your camera connection here is attached firmly. You don't need to take it off. I just did that to show how. And slide it back in from the top, making sure to get under the tab and getting the camera in the correct place as you do it. Okay. Right then, let's start putting it back together. And place all screws back in the positions that they came from. Okay. And the bracket needs to go back on over the camera. Just replace the connections. Making sure that they're clipping correctly. Sometimes the tweezers can be useful for just getting this one slid into place. Plastic cover and replace the screws. Okay. Now your iPhone has a new battery. Now you will need to charge it before you can switch it on, and up to a few hours it'll be ready to use. Okay, thank you.